Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue our bow making series and build upon the 3 lessons that we've learned thus far with my other videos. Today we're going to make a medium-sized bow. Now you can use the medium-sized bow for about anything. Little babies can wear them, toddlers, teenagers, adults. You can definitely use these for your dogs as well and to slip on the dog collars. So really the preference is up to you. But again, this is building off of our series that we've been learning before. So if you haven't watched any of my other tutorials, I will link them all down below. So make sure you start with step 1, video 1, and proceed from there. To give you an example of what we're making today, this is a medium-sized bow. You can use any type of ribbon you like, and I use 7/8 inch ribbon for this, just to give you an idea of what these little guys look like. Here's another one. So this is what we're going to be making today. For this lesson today, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need scissors. Any size will do. I'm going to use actually both pairs because that's my preference. You're going to need your clip of choice. Mine is the alligator clip. Okay, and if you need to know how to line that alligator clip, again, series 1 of the bow making, you're going to need something to measure. I have seamstress tape, so I'm going to use that. And then you're also going to need your lighter for fray checking, your handy dandy hot glue gun, and I'll say in every video, yes, this looks rough and janky, and that's because this is my real life hot glue gun, and pretty crappy because it gets used, it's real life. And then you're going to need 2 ribbons of choice. You're going to need first 7/8 inch ribbon. This is my choice of ribbon for today. Okay, you'll see it's a chevron mint with gold, and I bought this roll at Hobby Lobby, favorite store, could live in there. And then you're going to need coordinating 3/8 inch ribbon to line your alligator clip and for the center of your bow. I chose this ribbon. See it? It is gold with gold in the middle. What's awesome about this ribbon is it does not shed. The glitter does not come off, which is very rare. So both of those together I thought would look really nice. So I'm going to be using these 2 colors combined. I think they look good for any time of year for anyone who wants to wear this bow. Make sure that you leave a comment below with what you made, and definitely send me a picture or tag me on social media with your medium-sized bow that you make after this tutorial. The links will all be down below, so make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and make sure you're following me on Facebook and Instagram so that you can see the latest products. I'll let you know when videos are coming out, giveaways. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my bracelets off so they're not rattling around. We'll zoom in and then we'll get started. Alright, welcome back makers. I have everything set up that you're going to need. So again, your alligator clips, lighter for fray checking. These are those examples of the medium bows that I showed to you at the beginning. Hot glue gun and stand all set up, ready to go. And my matching 3/8 and my matching 7/8 ribbon and my scissors of choice. I went ahead and laid out my measuring tape for you all so you can see. To make this bow, and here's the 1 inch under it. I was just that to grip it for me. To make this bow, so you're going to take your 7/8 inch ribbon, and I don't like how that looks on this ribbon. You might not be able to see it on the screen, but I don't like how it looks. Like it's a little faded. So I'm going to cut that piece off and discard it so I can get started with a fresh piece. You're going to need 2 pieces of 6-inch ribbon to make a 3-inch medium-sized bow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my ribbon, put my measuring tape aside, and take your first piece, line it up with your second piece, and then cut an equal size. So now I've got 2 pieces of 6-inch ribbon ready to go. And if you've watched my tutorial on lining my alligator clip, you can either do this at the beginning of the process or you can do it at the end. Either way, it doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. I'll go ahead and line mine now and get started. Okay, alligator clip is lined and ready to go, so I'm going to set that off to the side as well. Okay, now you fray check both ends of each piece of ribbon with your lighter. or whatever method you decide to use to fray check. And if anybody remembers why we fray check offhand, comment below. All right, all my ends are fray checked. So now what I need to do, find the middle of the ribbon. Do is fold end to end, crease, apply pressure, run your nail on there. You're not going to hurt that ribbon. Find that center. See that crease? That's my center. There we go. That's where I'm going to put my glue. Kind of set this part. And then you're going to bring each end, fold it into the middle on that line of hot glue. Okay. Push it down. Here it's applied nicely. Right? Then you're going to repeat that process. Now you can do both pieces at the same time. You can do one piece, finish it, then move on to the other. It's up to you, but now I've got both laid out. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, on this side you just hot glued, so call this the bad side. You're going to put a dab of glue right in the middle. Right in the middle. Okay? And going to hot dog style, as I call it, hold each end to the middle. I'm going to pinch that together so your bow looks like that on the back side. Sides are pinched in each. The front, like this. Okay, so I'm going to do that again on this second piece. Like my other piece, got two matching pieces. Back side looks like this. Okay, on my front side has that nice pinch. So what are we going to do? We're going to put both pieces together. Like a bow. See how it looks. You can play with it. Maybe you want your chevrons going the opposite way, or maybe you want them going the same way. Sometimes, believe it or not, even though it's the same ribbon, one ribbon might look better on top than the other. So now I'm going to run glue right here. Push the middle together of both bows. Apply some pressure. Okay, here's what your bow looks like without the center edge. I'm gonna take my alligator clip, glue there. I'm gonna line up the back, the center of the bow. You can look at how it looks on the bow. Now we need to finish it. So I'm going to take my 3/8 inch ribbon, fray check the end. On the back in the middle, clip. Start in the back. Look to see. Look. And then put another dab of glue. Congratulations, you just made your first medium bow. Way to go. All right, makers, welcome back and congratulations on making your first medium-sized bow. Congratulations and way to go. So we've built upon our series. This is our 4th in the series as of now. So I really hope you've watched all of them so far. Please be sure to leave me a comment below about the bow you made. If you have any questions, of course, please do let me know. I'm happy to help. We all started off somewhere, and I'm happy to share the knowledge that I've accumulated over several years, many years, let's just say ears in the bow making world, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can get alerted anytime I post a new video up. And then make sure you're following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram and Facebook as well. Everything will be linked below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Again, congratulations on making your first medium-sized bow, or maybe this is your 100th and you are looking just for some new techniques. But great job today. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Again, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique. Bye-bye.